So next question will be explained in this video from condition monitoring. Okay, so in the previous video 3 or 4 questions we seen. Okay, from this video we'll start with the next question. So that is leakage monitoring. Explain the leakage monitoring. Leakage is unintended discharge. Okay, unintended discharge of that fluids, that also gases are to be considered. Okay, so that is called as leakage monitoring. External, which may comes from external or internal damage from mechanical components occurring because of increase in the clearance or wear out or erosion of the parts like valves, seals, poppets and spools. Okay, because of damage of this kind of parts, some internal or external leakages may be formed. Damage of the seals, packaging, or because of incorrect selection, fitting of the seals and components, because of other reasons, okay, which may leakages may be occurred. Whatever care must be taken, some leakages do takes place sometime, which is an indication of generation of some defects, deterioration in some components. Occasionally thinning out of oils and lubricants induces or increases leakage, which again is an indication of some defects or deteriorations. External leakages are relatively easy to detect as some fluid or gases flow out of leaking components. Internal leakages are little difficult to detect as the leaked fluid gases goes back to tank reservoir directly or through existing pipelines and is normally not seen flowing outsides. Their detection is done through correlation with malfunctioning or reduced output performance of components, equipments, or through contamination of original fluid, etc. Okay, so this is all about the leakage monitoring. Next question, explain the vibration monitoring. Okay, how that vibration monitoring can be done, we'll see in this question. Vibration is essentially the heartbeat of all functions, all mechanical equipments. You know already very well through the previous subjects. Okay, vibration is the essentially the heartbeat of all mechanical equipment. The purpose of vibration monitoring is to establish the running condition of the machineries in fashion which is objective and scientifically. Vibration monitoring normally means vibration measurement, collection and analysis programs, and it monitors the response of the system or equipment, machines to internal and external forces being applied. The response is measured by a general purpose transducer at the pump and motor bearing and other rotating oscillating components and is passed to an analyzer for interpretations. The results are downloaded to the asset management software or technique for analysis and recommendations. It aims for early identification and correction of potential machinery problems. Vibration developed which are faster, easier to use, more effective and less expensive. The aim is to collect the data automatically and transmit it to specialists very easily. It involves understanding of the followings. Which are those? We'll see. Vibration fundamentals and vibration signatures, vibration collection and analysis can be done on vibration, okay, and also vibration transducers, which is includes causes of the machine vibrations, machinery vibration troubleshooting, vibration signature measurement and displays vibration signal frequency analysis, okay. So these all considerations comes under vibration monitorings. Next, moving on to the next question, list any 5 causes of the machinery vibrations. So we'll categorized 2-3 types, means that mechanical causes and hydraulic causes of the vibrations. We'll see one by one here. In mechanical causes, there are so many types of the causes may be exert during the working time, like unbalanced rotating components, damaged impellers and non-concentric shaft sleeves are common are the that mechanical causes, and also bent or wrapped shafts, pump and driver misalignment, pipe strain either by redesign as a result of thermal growth, the mass of the pump base is too small, thermal growth, worm, loose or bad rolling element bearings, loose hold down bolts, some part rubbing, others that is also a difficult that machine vibrations may be arised, product attaching to a rotating element, loose parts, damaged parts are the examples. For example, pulleys, chain, sprockets are the examples of loose part. So because of those only the vibration may be exerted. And second type, hydraulic causes of the vibration. In hydraulic, what type of the causes may be there, we'll see here. These may include pump, hydraulic motors not operating at rated dust efficiency point, vaporized of the product, impeller vane running too close to the pump cut water, internal recirculation, air getting into the system through the vortexing, okay. Like this that vibration causes are to be classified. So these all things are considered while writing the answers for this question, okay. Next question. Define lubricant monitoring and crack monitoring. So lubricant monitoring, oil and lubricants are as important as blood for the human being, okay, you know already about this one. So lubrication is very much important for the machineries. As such, oil and lubricants analysis is widely used in condition monitoring of the lubricated machineries and hydraulic systems. Most of such tests analysis can be grouped in following 3 categories: fluid properties analysis, information on lubricant, physical and chemical properties such as viscosity, acid number, demulsibility, additives, fluid contamination analysis, okay, which includes the presence of contaminants such as dirt, glycol, soot, fuel, water, etc. in the oil. Fluid wear debris analysis, that includes concentration and characterization of wear metals and other contaminants suspended in used oils. Next, crack monitoring explanation is more used for quality assurance and metallographic analysis to assess the quality of metals and quality of procedures during making, shaping and treating of the metals in industries. Crack detection monitoring is also used in CBM, that is condition based maintenance and condition monitoring of many metallic components. Crack monitoring programs measures not a total width is called crack displacements. The crack displacement measured by the sensors may be driven by any combination of the factors listed below, which are differential thermal expansion, structural and machine overhauling. Okay, so this is the explanation regarding lubricant monitoring and crack monitoring. Okay, this question may ask for 10 marks. Okay, so you have to read these all things again and again, then you come to know the points, okay, what exactly to be written. Then next question, explain the noise and sound monitoring. So here, sound monitoring, acoustic is a general word for a noise and sound. Noise is are basically the same, except that noise is considered as a harsh, unpleasant and undesirable sound. Okay, that is considered as noise. In its simplest form, noise sound is the vibration of molecules through a medium like air, fluid, metal, solids. The human ear can detect frequencies between 20 Hz to 20 kHz, as you know already. In between that, we are getting a good noise, good sound. So this above this range may produce noise. The range is referred to as audible and sonic range. 20 to 20 kHz is audible range. Frequencies above this range are referred to as ultrasound. Okay, so this is all about that noise and sound. Noise monitoring is very important for controlling the noise pollutions, okay, which may produces the noise pollution. To controlling, that is very much important. Environmental protection as a noise affect human being both always physical and psychologically, and prolonged exposures to high noise level can lead to permanent hearing loss. Noise may be seismic, animal, mammal made, man made or undefined. Noise in industries may be considered as man made. Ambient noise formed from a factories, machineries can be very difficult to eliminate at a source. Such noise is a result of transient vibrations of the structure and components of the machines, and such vibrations are induced by rapid energy released, rapid pressure and temperature rise, cavitation and air ingresses, leakages and other malfunctions. So these are the some noise factors. Such a noise monitoring can also be done using to this monitor health and condition of the machineries. So by monitoring these all things, that noise and sound monitoring can be done. This is all about the 8th question. Okay, next question, explain the smell monitoring. Okay, so in this smell monitoring, the sense of smell is the most complex and unique in structure and organization. Currently, the human nose is the best instrument for measuring odors, okay, which can measure the odors and they can smell easily. Measurement may be conducted in the laboratory using an olfactometers, which includes panel of the certified evaluators, or in the field with trained odor stimulers. Efficient odor monitoring systems have probably not yet been developed and used for condition monitoring through smelling through the nose is used since ages to determine the leakage and presence of few gases and smelling substances. Few gas detection systems and instruments are available in the market, which mostly work on the chemical, electrochemical and infrared reactions. Few examples are given below, like SO2 sulfuric oxide analyzers to measure SO2 in flue gas in sulfuric acid plant and paper pulp mills. Second, carbon oxide, carbon dioxide, NH3 and CH4 detectors analyzers based on infrared technique using gas filled detectors. Third, hydrocarbon analyzers for monitoring stack gases of the boilers, furnaces. Fourth, NO3 analyzers based on chemiluminescent techniques. Okay, so these are some examples you should explain in this while writing the answers. Smell monitoring, okay, you have to read these examples, means that how that detection is to be done. This is regarding explanation of the smell monitoring. Then next, list any 5 benefits of the condition monitoring. This one is important because you just go through the previous question papers, you come to know very well, so many times asked this question. Okay, we'll see what are the benefits of condition monitoring. First, it predicts unplanned equipment failures. It predicts the unplanned equipment failures. Okay. Second, helps to take a holistic view of equipment condition. For example, if vibration analysis indicated that a bearing failure on a particular pump was imminent, would not it be preferable to be able to assess the condition of all other components of the pump in order to determine whether any of these items should be replaced or refurbished at the same time as the bearings. Traditionally, this assessment is left until the pump has already been shut down. Third, condition monitoring reduces the cost of condition monitoring. Okay, which reduces the cost of the condition monitoring. This sounds ridiculous, but the fact is that modern good low cost monitors either do away completely few skilled workers to monitor the condition of equipments, or need fewer and lesser skilled worker to do the same level of checking. It will improve the consistency and accuracy of failure diagnosis, as there will be less chances of human error due to repeated nature of the job and fatigue. Fifth, helps in improving equipment and component reliability and to optimize the equipment performances. For example, if vibration analysis indicates abnormal vibrations from the bearings. So these all are the benefits of condition monitoring. Okay, so this question may ask for 10 marks. You have to read all these benefits. Then, so apart from that, these all 10 marks questions, like explain the condition monitoring techniques, I explained in the first slides only. Okay, and any other related questions like explain the visual monitoring, temperature monitoring, leakage monitoring, vibration monitoring and causes of the machine vibrations, and crack monitoring and smell monitoring. Okay, all these answers given in the previous slides, so you just refer those slides for your studies. And regarding these questions, I told you that these questions are the very much important for forthcoming semester exams. So that's why I'm telling, refer this video for better improvement for your studies. Okay, so also you have to refer the notes also. Okay, the given in the classrooms. I hope you understood the concepts very clearly. Okay, so this is all about the 4th unit. So thank you.